What is Lemon8 app? Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let us go ahead and discuss what Lemon8 app is. Lemon8 is a community where people discover and share content related to beauty, fashion, travel, and more in an authentic and diverse environment. The platform inspires creativity and shares ideas to benefit everyone in the community. Designed to be a lifestyle app, Lemon8 is like a mixture of Instagram and Pinterest. It's photo heavy but allows users to share recipes, outfits, travel guides, and more. The top trending topics on the app are fashion, beauty, food, wellness, and travel. Under each topic are suggestions, recommendations, get ready with me style videos, and perfectly curated, aesthetically pleasing contents. Fashion influencers on Lemon8 can tag where they bought their clothes and how much they cost. Lemon8 is most akin to Instagram in that the content created on the app aims to influence you to buy something to be more similar to your favorite influencer. Lemon8 is a direct competitor of an app that's popular in the East, or Little Red Book in English. In China, Little Red Book holds a large share of China's social networking e-commerce market, and Lemon8 hopes to do the same in the West. Lemon8 is already popular in Japan and Thailand, where Little Red Book is less dominant in the lifestyle app sphere. Influencers on Lemon8 can link their TikTok and Instagram accounts to broaden their social media reach. So this is what Lemon8 app is. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.